Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic of discussion is the normal Zeeman effect. Normal Zeeman effect is with spin of electron is taken equal to 0. It means normal Zeeman effect is without spin of electron, and with the spin of electron the effect is called as anomalous Zeeman effect. In this study, we will ignore the spin of hydrogen's electron. The Zeeman effect without the spin of electron is called as normal Zeeman effect, and when the spin of electron is considered, it is called as anomalous Zeeman effect. First, I have written the Hamiltonian of particle of mass mu and charge q in a central potential under a uniform magnetic field. If we will write the Hamiltonian of hydrogen atom when subjected to such a uniform magnetic field, we have to replace q with minus e, that is the charge of electron. So Hamiltonian is equal to, this is called as equation A. For simplicity, we take magnetic field in the z direction, B and z. So the equation A will be transformed as here B dot L equal to B into Lz, and B square R square equal to B square X square plus B square Y square B square Z square, and that this term will be equal to B square into Z square. So you can cancel out these terms and we will have here you can see this is the Hamiltonian in the absence of magnetic field, and this quadratic term is very small for one electron atom even when B is strong, and the equation B is reduces to H equal to H naught plus B mu B over H cut into Lv, and mu B equal to E H cut over 2 mu C, which is a Bohr magneton, and its value is equal to 9.2740 into 10 raised power minus 24 joule per Tesla. It results from the orbiting motion of the electron about the proton.